Welcome to Sky Broking Equity Weekly Market Commentary. Disclaimer: this weekly market commentary is for information purpose only. Before taking any decision, consult a financial advisor. Now let's see the fundamental analysis. Checking out the global cues, the Fed rate decision on Wednesday is naturally the highlight as traders look for further indications of the level of tightening that's going to be required and whether it will ultimately tip the economy into recession. The inflation data did not make for good reading for policymakers. Checking out the domestic cues, India hiked rates again this past week and the RBI will be closely watching Wednesday's inflation release for May. Inflation is expected to fall around 7% from 7.80, but a higher print will be seen. RBI tightening expectations ratcheted up, which could weigh heavily on local equities. So these are this week's fundamental analysis. Moving on to the technical analysis, Nifty may expect a wide negative range-bound trade in between 15,597 to 16,660 levels. Bank Nifty may expect a wide negative range-bound trade in between 33,661 to 36,563 levels. So these are this week's technical analysis. Now let's see the derivative analysis based on the option chain analysis. Highest open interest for call side is 17,000 strike and for the put side is 15,000 strike. Overall 2,000 points band and the expiry is on 16th June. According to the PCR analysis, Nifty PCR OI has decreased with Nifty negative close and when compared with the previous week, which shows call writing is seen. India VIX has settled in 19.58 and when compared with the previous week, it had ended slightly low, which shows chances of mild decreases in volatility and the range in between 16 to 28 ranges. So these are this week's derivative analysis. Now let's check out the recommendations. Coming to the cash corner, buy Carborundum Universal above 707, the target is 742 with the stop loss 665. Buy Sona Comms above 602, the target is 634 with the stop loss 565. Coming to the F&O corner, sell Nifty Future below 16,150, the target is 16,050 with the stop loss 16,250. Based on the option strategy, long strangle, buy Bank Nifty 34,300 call option near 350 and buy Bank Nifty 34,300 put option near 350. 16th June will be the expiry and the total buy premium is 700 with the target 850 and with the stop loss 550. Based on the institutional activity, according to the previous week, the FII net sellers were minus 12,662.47 crores and for the June month, the FII net sellers are minus 18,814.96 crores and for the previous week the DII net buyers were 9,611.44 crores and for the June month the DII net buyers are 13,086.69 crores. So these are this week's Equity Weekly Market Commentary. For account opening, click the link in the description box below. Thank you by Sky Broking.